When people ask me to speak about data or find out that I work in data, I know some of their first questions will be, well, what is data and what is a data analyst? I know after the last 2 decades of being asked this, they want a single sentence answer that's easy to digest. Unfortunately, even though the word data was first used in 1646, there's really not a single sentence answer. So I typically lean towards a deeper, more practical conversation to what data means to them so I can determine what is the best way to answer their questions. The world of data is so broad, and in my humble opinion, I think it will remain broad because we're still in the early days of discovery and tools development. With this course, I can provide more than one sentence to explain what data analysis is, and I think we should start by breaking down the words data and analysis. Let's tackle the biggest four-letter word in the universe, data. Even the dictionaries have a hard time giving a practical definition of data because, again, it can mean a lot of different things. And for the data analysts of the world, we need to look at two of the definitions. Factual information such as measurements or statistics used as a basis for reasoning, discussion, or calculation. And information in digital form that can be transmitted or processed. Now let's break down analysis. It's been my experience that when you say analysis or analyze, people immediately focus on specific types of analysis, like statistical or mathematical analysis, especially when thinking of data. And even though this is certainly true for data, the reality is analysis is an everyday part of life for a data worker. And it's broader than one type of analysis. I love Merriam-Webster's definition of analysis, a detailed examination of anything complex in order to understand its nature or determine its essential features. A thorough study. And this definition has been around since about 1581. Now that we're on the same page about analysis, let's look at the word analyze. And to me, this is the perfect definition of what we do in the world of data at almost every level. To study or determine the nature and relationship of the parts of something by analysis. To describe what a data analyst is and at the foundational level, I've combined these definitions together to give you the best possible definition. A data analyst is someone who will study or determine the nature and relationships of factual information used as a basis for reasoning, discussion, or calculation by always doing a detailed examination of information in digital form in order to understand its nature or to determine its essential features. Do you have a fitness tracker or a calorie counter of some sort? If you said yes, then you're already gathering data. Do you walk more when you notice your steps are low? Do you eat more or less based on what you did earlier in the day or yesterday? Are you using your history to determine what you should do next? Do you set a target on your calories? And do you monitor your calories and make adjustments to stay within your goals for the day? Then you're already using data for decision making, which means you're already analyzing data. This is just a practical example of how we all capture and analyze data, but data analysts take these skills and go even further. For years, I've suggested that there are far more people that are working as data analysts than we might believe based on their job titles. We did a small local study where we asked people to identify if they were data workers, and then we asked them things like their job titles. We asked people to self-identify if they were data workers based on the European Data Market Study definition, who are workers who collect, store, manage, and analyze data as their primary activity or as a relevant part of their activity. We then analyzed their job titles to determine if job titles could and should be used as an indication of who's a data analyst. Overwhelmingly, the response from people who considered themselves data workers in organizations of all sizes and all industries did not have the literal words data analyst in their job titles. Because we are data analysts, we searched deeper into the titles for the words data or analyst, and even though we found the word analyst was more prevalent. Even then, 73 who considered themselves data workers had no occurrence of data analyst or data. Were analysts in their title, and their titles were all sorts of different things. Even more interesting to me was that even if they did not describe themselves as a data worker, They were still performing data-related tasks and processes and using data-related software. As data has grown and been adopted by organizations around the globe, more people are using data to provide information to their leadership, their departments, and they report outcomes, even if it's just historical. People are performing key tasks even on the smallest of data sets. They're inspecting, cleaning, transforming, and modeling data for reports that are consumed weekly, monthly, or even annual. Ask yourself, are you exporting data out to Excel or CSV to work with it? I would call these flat files. Finding and accessing data to work with it is something that a data analyst does on every project. When you get that data out of the system or systems, do you ever delete columns or add calculations that your system doesn't provide? This is a form of data cleaning and transformation. It's an everyday part of life for a data analyst. Do you build VLOOKUPs or XLOOKUPs to bring data from other worksheets or other files? If you are, then you're using joins and modeling data sets. Are you then building pivots, crosstabs, charts, or graphs? This would be an example of the visualization of information. Does this sound like you? Data analysts perform some or all of these tasks at any given time or all of the time. Data analysts find, collect, and/or capture data. They inspect it, they transform it, they add functions and formulas. And then they merge data sets so they can then further analyze it with pivots, charts, and other visualizations. All data has a purpose, and the data analyst is typically seeking answers to the questions and then performing tasks like cleaning and transforming data to provide insight and informed decision-making.